In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in MyFitnessPal. Organize your tracking. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your settings can sync. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the menus look as expected. From the welcome screen, tap Login. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard and you can continue from there. If not, you'll see the sign-in fields. Enter your account email and password to access your profile. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering them on shared devices. When you're ready, tap Login again. Give it a moment to load. Once your account opens, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the More option. It's typically at the bottom right of the screen, and on some devices, it may appear as a three-line menu icon. Tap it to open the app's settings and tools. Inside this menu, tap Diary Settings. This area controls how your food diary and nutrient information are displayed, which is exactly where we'll make your categories easier to view and manage. Next, tap Customize Nutrient Dashboard. This screen lets you choose which nutrient categories show up on your dashboard tiles and in key areas of your diary, so you can highlight what matters most to your goals, whether that's calories, macros, fiber, or other nutrients. Now select Custom. This switches you from any default layout to a setup that you control. Custom mode is ideal if you want a focused view instead of scrolling through metrics you rarely use. You'll see a list of available categories with checkboxes. Check the boxes for the items you want to add to your dashboard. Be intentional here. Pick the categories that support your current goals, like protein, carbs, fats, or specific micronutrients you want to watch. If you notice some options marked or unavailable, that can be related to your plan or app version. When you're done, tap the check mark at the top to confirm your choices and save your layout. Head back to your dashboard and you'll see your selected categories front and center. If something doesn't look right, return to the same settings and adjust your selections. A quick tip, keep your list concise. A cleaner dashboard helps you spot trends faster and stay consistent. That's it. You've customized your MyFitnessPal categories so your tracking is organized, clear, and tailored to you.